Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This CELPIP writing task, one example shows a well-structured email responding to a community event scenario. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The email successfully addresses all 3 points given in the prompt. For instance, it provides more details about the event, explains how new residents can participate, and suggests other useful local activities. Notice how the email is organized into clear paragraphs, making it easy to read. The tone is formal and polite, which is appropriate when writing to a community center manager. It starts with a clear greeting and ends with a polite closing. The writer uses simple linking words like "for example" and "furthermore" to connect ideas smoothly. This helps the reader follow the information and main ideas easily. You can also see a couple of slightly more advanced vocabulary words, often called stretch words, such as advertised and grateful. These words fit naturally and help improve the overall quality of the writing. For beginners, a good tip is to plan your email before you write. Make sure you address each bullet point clearly and use simple, direct language. This will help you stay within the word count and communicate effectively. This example shows a strong response to the CELPIP Writing Task 2 survey question. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time to review it. The writer clearly states their preference for individual fitness activities and provides two main reasons to support this choice. For instance, the answer explains how individual activities are very flexible and how they help people meet their personal health goals. The response is well organized with a clear introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a brief conclusion. This structure makes the essay easy to follow and understand. The tone is semi-formal, which is suitable for a survey response. The writer uses simple but effective linking words such as firstly, secondly, and in conclusion. These words guide the reader through the different points. You can also spot helpful vocabulary words like convenient and beneficial. These are good examples of slightly more advanced words, often called stretch words, that improve the writing quality without being too complex. For beginners, remember to always state your choice clearly at the beginning. Then give at least 2 distinct reasons to support your opinion. Use simple sentences and everyday vocabulary to express your ideas clearly. This response is a strong example for CELPIP Writing Task 2. You can pause the video here to read the complete answer before we discuss it. The writer clearly chooses group activities and supports this choice with 2 distinct reasons. The email highlights how group activities are excellent for building social connections and how they help people learn new skills and try diverse experiences. The answer is very well organized, starting with a clear statement of choice, followed by 2 paragraphs that each present a main reason and examples, and ending with a brief conclusion. The tone used is appropriate for a survey response, being clear and polite. The writer uses simple transition words effectively, such as firstly, secondly, and in conclusion, to guide the reader through the arguments. You will also notice a couple of slightly more advanced words like diverse and enhance. These are stretch words that add to the quality of the writing without making it hard to understand for a beginner. A useful tip for beginners is to think of 2 main reasons for your chosen option. Then, for each reason, try to give a simple example or explanation to make your point clearer. This will help you develop your ideas and reach the word count.